In this video, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to PDF. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In my case, I'm using a computer, but you can do the exact process on your phone too. What I need to do is log on this site, hippdf.com, okay. So, hippdf.com, and here you will come to this page. After doing that, you need to find Edit PDF, okay. So find this option, click on top, and here you need to choose the file. So choose the PDF from your computer or from your phone. After doing that, you will see several options right here, okay. You will see that your PDF is here. So you just need to click on the second option right here, add the image, and select the GIF from your computer or your phone. I selected the GIF, so here you can drag the GIF to where you need to put that. You just need to create an account and click right here on save. Or if you don't want to create an account, you can just click on this blue button, save, and you will already added the GIF to your PDF. I hope I helped you how to add GIF to PDF. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.